Home Remedies presents
this miraculous 10-minute practice to heal your body overnight. Imagine this. Just 10 minutes before bed, you can awaken your body's natural, miraculous healing power. A practice so simple yet so profound that it can relieve pain, restore organs, reverse years of deterioration, and even slow aging, all while you sleep. Why this works? Your body isn't just flesh and bones. It's a divine creation animated by spiritual energy. Every heartbeat, every breath, every immune response is proof that healing energy is already flowing through you. But most of us only access a fraction of this power because of blocks like fear, limitation, or separation thinking. This practice reconnects you to that divine source, allowing healing energy to flow freely. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. The correct time and frequency. Best time. Begin the practice about 1 hour before bedtime, with the main 10-minute ritual right before sleep. Healing window. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body naturally enters its deepest restoration mode. This is when healing energy works most efficiently. Frequency. Do it every night. Consistency matters more than intensity. Over time, the effects accumulate into lasting transformation. The practice step by step. Preparation hour. Disconnect from stress, phones, and work. Read something uplifting, listen to devotional music, or pray. This shifts your mind into spiritual receptivity. Sacred space. Visualize your bedroom filled with golden light, consecrating it as a healing temple. Body appreciation. Place your hands on different parts of your body, thanking them for their service. Gratitude opens your cells to receive healing. Healing breath. Inhale golden light for 6 counts, hold, then exhale illness and pain for 6 counts. Affirm, I am perfectly healthy and whole. Surgical visualization. Direct energy to specific areas. Heart glowing with rhythm and vitality. Digestion cleansed and efficient. Immune system golden warrior light defending your body. Pain liquid light dissolving discomfort. Whole body blessing. See your entire body radiant, every cell glowing with divine vitality. Sleep programming. As you drift off, affirm in present tense. My body is strong. My heart beats with divine rhythm. Speak lovingly to your cells. Then surrender the outcome to divine wisdom. Daily additions for continuous healing. Healing doesn't stop at night. Carry it into your day. Morning activation. 5 minutes of circulating divine energy before rising. Blessing eating. Thank your food and see it as divine nourishment. Healing breath awareness. Take 3 conscious breaths during the day to keep energy flowing. Service healing. Share love and kindness. Healing energy flows through you to others. Healing moments. Use pauses, traffic, waiting in line, to reconnect with divine energy. Evening review. Release anger, fear, or negativity before sleep to keep channels clear. The benefits. Relief from chronic pain and illness. Faster recovery from acute conditions. Strengthened immunity and vitality. Reversal of aging signs, radiant energy and beauty. Emotional peace and freedom from fear. A healing presence that uplifts others. This isn't about replacing medical care. It's about awakening the divine healer within you. With nightly practice and daily alignment, you'll discover that perfect health isn't miraculous. It's your natural state. So tonight, don't just sleep. Heal. And share your healing intention in the comments. Because when we speak it, we create ripples of transformation that inspire others.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.